Hi guys, today in this quick tutorial I will show you how to open an iPhone 4 on 4S and for example change the back cover back glass of your phone. As you see, my phone has crack on the corner and we need to change it. So first of all you have to get a screwdriver and unscrew two screws in here and simply put the cover up like you see, up, and open our iPhone. As you see, it's quite easy to do. It's very easy. You can do in your home. Only things you have to have a screwdriver. This is number one of Torx. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey!